Hello and welcome. I'm Yvette Farrugia from Enchanted Cakes by Yvette. Today, let's pipe the classic buttercream rosette together. We're using our deep pink buttercream and a Wilton 1M tip on the end. Start slightly off center on your cupcake and then just follow it round in a circular motion, keeping your piping bag vertical until you get the outside edge of your cupcake. Next, add in your green leaves using a loyal tip 352. And then add in some small little buds using a loyal tip number 5 with our white buttercream. You can hop onto our website at www.enchantedcakesbyyvette.com where you can download our Buttercream Ultimate Guide, which includes our signature recipe and all of our expert tips to ensure your success every time. Thank you for watching my video. If you liked it, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up, and of course, if you haven't already subscribed, please do so. Also, don't forget to follow me on my socials so you never miss out on new content and amazing cake designs. See you next time.